Hello and welcome back to another exciting episode. Today we're going to unbox the LG Ultra Slim Portable DVD Writer. So I got this for the new computer setup, just in case I get some clients, and I already had a request to have some videos put on DVD. Okay. And also, when I have some of my home movies that were transferred to video CD and DVD, I can also use this, bring it off, and make some updated videos, digitize it as it were. All right, first thing out of the box is, looks like a, oh, that's different, a USB to the old style mini USB. And then we got quick start guide, and what do we got here? Something that they're going to say, hey, here's something for you from a CyberLink Media Suite 10. All you need to enrich your digital life. I think I stay with my stuff. But thank you for including that, LG. I do appreciate it. But we'll put that back in there. Take the foam off. There we go. Now I did do this a little backwards. But it does say that it does have TV connectability. It doesn't say how exactly, but it does say you can watch videos, view images, and play audio on a TV via TV connectivity. So evidently there must be something in your TV to have for it to be compatible in order to play it, kind of like a DVD player. And let's see, you have Microsoft Surface Pro 3 and 4 connectivity. All right. Long-lasting records, store your everlasting memories into M-Disk by using LG Slim Portable. M-Disk. Now I have to admit, I've not heard of that. That's interesting. It does have silent play technology controls to disk read speed to reduce noise. So that's kind of cool. CyberLink Media Suite for DVD, power to go, power backup, label print, which must be on that suite, a micro B USB connector, and that's it. So system requirements, it must have at least, for Windows, XP. Of course, they can do Vista 7, 8, 8.1, 10, or 11. Now, CPU speed, it needs at least a Pentium 3 and 1 gig of RAM. And it is USB 2.0, but 3.0 compatible. Now, specifications, DVD, it can do 8 times DVD, right? Now DVD plus or DVD minus, right? Let's see. You can do 6 times DVD read-write, and CD-wise, it can do up to 24 times CD-ROM max read and write. So that's cool. Okay. So it does have a quick setup guide to show you through if for some reason it doesn't automatically set up, which it should with Windows 11 and Windows 10. And let's see. Oh, limited warranty. It does have a 1-year limited warranty. So good for that. Open this thing up. Very basic. There's your input for your USB micro, I think it's called. USB, what do they call it? Micro, yes, USB micro. So plug that in, and of course those micros, you have to make sure you put it in the right way. There we go. And then right into the computer, and right here, of course, is your eject button, and you have a little hole there. Just in case the eject button doesn't work, you can actually take a paper clip, push it in there, and it releases the mechanism, so it'll pop out. And that should be it. Let's plug it in and see if it works. USB, just plug it into one of the empty slots. We have some light. Haha! There it is. Alrighty, so at least we know it powers up and works.
Now let's see if Windows will read this thing. Go ahead and put a DVD in it. There we go. And close it up. It does read it. It asks you what to do. Alrighty, it's working. Now let's see if this thing will actually write. I'm going to go ahead and make a DVD real quick here. It brings up a list of choices. I'm just using the generic stuff. So I'm keeping everything the way it is. Click continue. Now we're just waiting for it to do its thing. It's writing. It's reading, it's checking. The DVD writer is blinking like crazy to show that it's working. And it is done.
And after it was done, it just popped out the DVD.
And now just double checking that it did write things onto the DVD. And it did. Look at that. The experiment was a success.